Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to grow my channel. I want to be able to put out some good content, do some unboxings, installations, some off-road stuff, get the four-wheeler out, do some camping. So it's a bit humid here. It's hot. Just trying to work through it. But what I have for y'all today is a 22-inch Blackstone griddle with the flex fold legs, and it does come with the hood. I'm going to leave a link in the description on where you can purchase this item from Amazon. I got it for a really great deal. So like I said, I'll leave a link. You go ahead and check it out for yourself. So here it is. Here's the unit. It's a 22-inch griddle, Blackstone. So it's got a 22¼ by 16¼ inch cooking area with 2 zones. So it's going to be a 2-burner unit. What I did like is it's got that extra portable compact scissor legs. So I did purchase some portable camping propane tanks from Coleman, but I also did get I did purchase that Blackstone adapter so I could use it with a standard propane tank. So the plan today is we're essentially going to open it up, make sure there's no damage. The box came, as you can see, it looks pretty good. You know, minor frays in the cardboard. I'm not too worried about that. I just want to make sure everything's here, nothing's broken. So what we'll do is we'll get it unboxed. We're gonna set it up and then season it. So we'll burn it in. Probably do four or five coats of that seasoning from Blackstone. So I ended up picking up the griddle and seasoning cast iron conditioner from Blackstone. So we'll go ahead, pretty much use as much as we need to of that. But yeah, let's get this griddle built. All right, so I just wanted to take a moment, kind of show you something. As I was unboxing this, I kind of noticed, as you can see here, this bracket, it's got 2 bends in it. This one seems like it's pretty hammered up compared to the other one. So we're going to see if we can straighten this bracket out and make it look like the other one. There was no visible damage to the box. That looks like it's raised up a little bit. I don't know if that's normal or not. I'll have to check that out here in a minute. So far, that's all I'm seeing.
Yeah.
All right, what's going on YouTube? Got the grill out here. I'm trying to get it seasoned. We do have some thunderstorms coming in, so hopefully that doesn't ruin our plans here. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna let that get up to temperature, get nice and hot, and we'll put the first coat of seasoning on. All right, what's going on YouTube? So we're back. We did 5 seasoning coats. So that's the end result. That's what we're working with here. So the plan is to do the first cook tomorrow. It is so hot here. It is like 90 degrees, full humidity. I'm over here sweating like a toasted cheeser. So do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Once again, there will be a link down in the description for where you can purchase this Blackstone 22-inch on the go with the flex fold legs. Otherwise, hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all.